Wait a minute. Hey, y'all let me know. We're going to count them down. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, Josh, hang on a second. Josh Walter-Shop, we're going to get the crowd to count them down when y'all are ready, okay? We got a Jared or AJ back just a tad. Hang on. We're going to get the crowd to count them down from 5 in just a minute. Okay, Walter-Shop, tell me when you're ready. We're going to count them down. You ready? Let's count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, Jared, you're supposed to hit that pedal on the right.
Yeah.